In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the language in Hostinger so your hosting panel feels more familiar and easier to use. Whether you're more comfortable in a different language or you're setting things up for someone else, this is a quick setting that can make a big difference in how you navigate your account. First, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account and that you're on the main dashboard, also known as the H panel. This is the control center where you manage your websites, domains, emails, and other hosting tools. If you've just logged in, you should land on this page automatically. If not, look for the option that takes you back to the main H-panel homepage so you can follow along more easily. Once you're in the H-panel, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Up there, you'll see your profile icon. Depending on your account, this might appear as a small avatar, an initial, or a generic user icon. This is where Hostinger keeps your account-related settings, including the language preferences. Click on that profile icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains a few different options related to your account, and one of them will be labeled Language. This is the option you'll use to change how the interface is displayed. Go ahead and select Language from that drop-down menu. As soon as you click it, you'll see a list of available languages that Hostinger supports. The exact list can vary, but you'll usually find several of the most commonly used languages around the world. Take a moment to scroll through and find the language you're most comfortable with. If you're setting this up for someone else, pick the language they prefer, so the controls and labels are easier for them to understand. Once you've found your preferred language, click on it. After you make your selection, the page will automatically refresh. This refresh is normal and only takes a moment. When the H panel loads again, you'll notice that the interface has been updated to reflect your new language. Menu labels, button text, and various headings should now appear in the language you chose. If something doesn't look right or you accidentally picked the wrong language, don't worry. You can repeat the exact same process. Click the profile icon in the top right corner, open the language menu again, and choose a different language. The setting is not permanent, and you can switch back and forth as often as you need. This language change only affects your Hostinger H-panel interface. It doesn't change the language of your website content itself, but it does make managing your hosting tools much easier if the dashboard is in a language you understand well. So, to recap verbally, open your Hostinger H panel, click the profile icon at the top right, choose the language option, and then select your preferred language from the list. The page will refresh and your interface will be updated immediately. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to change the language in Hostinger quickly and confidently whenever you need to.